Next, we learn how to crochet SC single crochet, hook 10 SC single crochet. First, hook a CH chain stitch. Then, we are on the penultimate stitch of CH chain stitch. This is the penultimate needle. This is the penultimate needle. Then we go to the penultimate needle. Half a needle away from us. Insert needle. Then winding. Line. Bring out this coil. Now there are 2 threads on the crochet hook. The thread has 2 loops on the crochet hook. Crochet hook again. Bring the wire out of both coils at the same time. Form a V on the side to form a SC single crochet. Next, we use markers to attach to the first letter. Make a mark. Then we started to crochet the second SC single crochet. Also insert the needle on the half needle far away from us. Winding brings the thread out. There are now 2 thread loops on the crochet hook. Crochet hook again. Bring the wire out of both coils at the same time. NDSC single crochet completed. Next we crochet in the same way. Crochet outer half needle into needle. Winding hook out. Crochet winding. Check both coils at the same time. Repeat operation. Repeat operation. SC single crochet completed. We can check the number of stitches according to the V on the side. SC single crochet completed.